Hey, this is Neil, and I am back from Palooza. And while I was there, I had a conversation with super tech person Michelle Mills about making kind of an inventory thing. And since I got back, I've noticed some questions in the Facebook group about it as well. So I'm making a video. I promised Michelle a video, so here's the video. So anyway, I had a client that wanted to do kind of a fast action bonus for the first 50 people that bought a product. And so I set up a way to kind of track the inventory so that we knew who to send the bonus to. So let me show you how I did that. Started with, I made a custom field in the client's user record. So I made one for the quantity. It's a numeric field, and I set it to 50. So far, 8 people have bought this. So I set it to 50 people, and now it's going to count down from 50. So the first 50 people will get our fast action bonus. And the way it works is I have a delivery sequence for the product, so they get an email immediately that gives them access to it. I'm also time stamping them, so I'm setting the time that they bought the product, the time and date in this rule. But here's the rule about the inventory. So the first thing I'm doing here is I'm saying if this is true, if this field, which is owner quantity, is greater than 0, then I want to do this. I want to take the quantity and subtract 1. So I'm going to take that same field and subtract 1. So each time somebody goes through here, it's taking 1 off the quantity. Then the next step is I'm going to send them the bonus email. So then I'm going to check to see if, again, if this quantity is greater than 0, then I'm going to send this email. So once it gets down to 0, once 50 people have bought this, they're not going to get the bonus email anymore. So that's how it's working. And then you would have to have custom objects enabled in your account to do this, although you're not really setting up a custom objects. I mean, your user record is technically a custom object, so that's why you need to have it set up so that you can get to this field from within your contacts field. So if you're on the basic account and you don't have custom objects, you won't be able to do this. But if you are on a full Ontraport account and have custom objects set up, you can do this without actually adding any custom objects because this one already exists. It's your user field. It's the owner. Here we're calling it owner. So it's your user information. And the other thing you would have to make sure is that every contact has the same owner. So if you have 2 user accounts and you are using different users for different people inside your account, that wouldn't work because then you'd have 2 separate fields. You'd have owner A and owner B, and they'd each have their own value for this number. So you have to make sure everybody has the same contact owner. All right, that's it. Any questions, hit me up.